I told you? You cannot walk me on your shoulder.
Are you crying?
How many times I told you I don't want to go to school. I shall study in our house. What can I do in this school with these legs?
Malu, it will be okay soon.
Acha, I know polio has no medicine.
Malu, don't say like that. God is very kind. He can solve any problem.
Then why did God punish me like this?
What will be the thoughts of Billy? Can you say?
Yes.
So take it as a homework.
Okay.
Don't forget to do it tomorrow.
Hey, Aruba, shall we dance in the class? Okay. Oh, my dear,
My friends are dancing.
we are singing now. Oh, my dear, we are dancing. We are dancing.
Some are playing. They are happy. What shall I do? Shall I write my feelings? Yes. I was just like a hornbill, waiting for rain.
Next item, English recitation. Our judges, Honorable Chief Guest Music Director Sethu Madhavan, Mrs. Shalini and Mrs. Kamala. Program starts. Judges, please note, just number 1 is on the stage.
I was just like a hornbill, waiting for rain. But the rain has not come. Still I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting.
Just number 2 is on the stage.
Umbrellas, umbrellas, moving in the rain. Blue, green, umbrellas, moving in the rain. Umbrellas, umbrellas, dancing in the rain. Red, yellow umbrellas, dancing in the rain.
I invite our Honorable Judge to announce the results.
English recitation. First, Maya 6A. Second, Gia 6B. Gia.
Maya, you can go to the sub-district level.
Sub-district level.
Velaida, you are not going for mason work now?
No, I have to bring Maya to school and back.
It's very difficult for you.
Oh, today also I am late. Can I complete my work today?
Velaida, your daughter got the first prize. But she couldn't walk. Has she a future? My daughter can go anywhere. She has a future. Shall I send my daughter to the sub-district level? Okay. Say it to Maya. Gia, don't worry. You can go to the sub-district level. Okay?
But the rain has not come. Still I am waiting. I am waiting.
Acha, next Monday is our competition. I am practicing.
Sir, what's this? Maya got first, but Jia goes to a sub-district level. We won't allow it.
You see this. This is Velaythan's concern. He allows Jia to go to sub-district level. What shall I do?
Molu, are you crying? What happened?
Don't you remember? Today is a competition. Jia goes in the place of Maya. You allowed it. Are you a father?
Molu, we are going.
Hey, Maya, where are you going?
Sir, we want to sing.
What are you saying? You are too late. Jia is singing there. Sir, come. This is Maya's house.
Oh, sir. Maya, your class teacher is coming.
Velaythan, this is music director Sethu Madhavan.
Sir,
Our Maya got a golden chance.
golden chance?
Yes, sing a song in my new cinema. This is my advance.
Maya,